Hey everyone, I have another Etsy shop order, and this one is from AmourFabriques. And guys, somebody with long black hair, I guess it was a mail carrier. I love buying from Etsy shops. I love supporting fellow crafters and artists. So if you have a shop and you sell something that I can make a kit out of, or that you would like for me to showcase, I need you to message me with a link. Don't just give me the name, because I have gone and searched by names and nothing comes up. So I need a link to it. And you can message me on Facebook, or you can message me in my group on Facebook, which is Kathy's World. So Selena over at AmourFabriques, she always finds really good stuff. And I buy a lot from her for my kits because I get good quality. So I know I got the yellow, and I got the orange, and I got the green, and I got the blue. So let me find how to get into it. Okay. And we got an ink pen, gel pen it looks like, and a refill as a gift. So what I bought from her was the bag of blue beaded sari scraps, orange beaded sari scraps, green, yellow, and 1 yard vintage woven jacquard Christmas themed trim. And to be honest with you, I will show you this trim. I bought this because to me it looks like sunflowers. It isn't as poinsettias, but it looks like sunflowers. So I'm going to use it on my sunflowers. Maybe. But it's gorgeous. I mean, look how sparkly. It's gorgeous. So I got that. And then this is the scrap bag, I think. No, this is the green. I thought I got... Okay, maybe I didn't order the yellow, green, orange, and blue. I guess I didn't order the strips. I thought I did. But let's just open one for now. Let's do the blue because it's just screaming at me. So what I'm doing now is organizing stuff into kits, like slow stitch kits. This will be gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Here's another piece. It has some beautiful trim on it. I can see this on a slow stitch project. And the reason I'm opening the blue first is because I have Tanya's challenge of the ugly fabric. I like this one. This one's definitely going on that ugly fabric. Oh, I like this too. Wow, that's so pretty. Yep, this is going on the ugly fabric too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is going to be hoarded for a while. This is not going to be used for a while. Can you just see this on a boho book cover though? Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Now I can't wait to open the rest of them, but this is stunning. So it is AmourFabriques on Etsy. And she has a Facebook and a YouTube. Wow. It's all beautiful. It is all just beautiful. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? And this is another piece of the flowered one. So, yeah, I've got a lot to work with here for that ugly fabric competition. Well, it's not a competition, it's just a challenge. But what happened was Tanya McGuire met us on this piece of her ugly fabric, and we have to turn it into something beautiful and send it back to her. And I've got several ideas running around my head of what I want to do with it. So we shall see. But I know a lot of this is going on, and I can't wait to explore it all. So check out AmourFabriques. It's a great shop, great prices, and great quality. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.